Hello friends, welcome to our channel Language Basket. Today in this video we are going to learn about different type of water sports. Let's start. Surfing, windsurfing, parasailing, water polo, swimming, diving, water aerobics, water basketball, paddle boarding, jet skiing, wakeboarding, water skiing, kite surfing, skimboarding, bodyboarding, cliff diving, fishing, rafting, kayaking, canoeing, power boating, yachting. Thank you for watching.